Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find news about different topics on the BBC News application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the three line at the upper left corner of the screen, and in the more topics section you can find different topics, for example sport, stories, health, tech, business and more, and just select one and step on it, and new you can find news. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.